Hi girls, welcome back to your own space, beauty and the peace. And if you are new here, then hi, I'm Shriyasri. So girls, today I'm going to show you the 10 different shades of Rouge Signature L'Oreal Paris lipsticks. So if you girls are thinking that I'm wearing any kind of lipstick, then no, I didn't wear any lipstick. Actually, I wanted to shoot this video in a different way just because it will entertain you and you will feel good about that. But unfortunately it didn't happen because after applying 2 or 3 shades, it's just not removing from my lips. I have a cotton ball and I have a Garnier micellar water. Now I pour this and can you see it is not removing properly. So it will come in this paper box and you can see Rouge Signature L'Oreal Paris, and you can see the shade name and number. This is 114 and I represent what I'm wearing. Now I'm gonna show you. Now it will come in a transparent bottle. Everyone I think know. It has a foot applicator which is really nice, and can you see this is so much pointed, so you can apply on your side easily and it won't like come out of your lips. So okay, I'm gonna show you the first color. So yeah, so this is the color. Actually this is very bold pink. This is kind of fuchsia pink, and you can see that it's very pigmented. Second one is 128 I Decide. So it is also from a pink range, but you can see the difference. Like yeah, wait, can you see the difference? It is kind of like more reddish kind of pink, and it's like a proper fuchsia pink. So yeah, this is the color. थोड़ा different color अभी choose किया, वो है 127 I Vibrate, which is orange. Now I'm gonna swatch and I will show you. So guys, this is the color. So lovely tangy color, and I think it's perfect for summer and springtime. So yep, and my favorite color is orange, so I can't deny this one. Now I'm gonna show you like everyone's favorite, I think that is red, and it's called 115 I'm Worth It. एक्चुअली रेड का बहुत सारा कलर मिलता भी है, बट कुछ रेड अच्छा नहीं लगता, बट आई कैन से दिस वन इज़ सो लवली रेड. You can use for night purpose and day purpose, all party purpose, and it is also applicable for any bride. So it's basically a bridal red color. Can you see? This red one can compete with any high-end brand red lipstick. If you are on a shoestring budget but you want to look so glamorous and elegant, then you can definitely go for this L'Oreal Paris red one and you will love it. So the next one is 121 I choose. It's from a nude range, but it is pinkish nude. So yeah, can you see all the colors? You can see, right? So yeah, this is the color. ज़्यादा समझाने के लिए मैं और एक बार स्वैच कर ही लेती हूँ ताकि कलर थोड़ा ज़्यादा समझ में आए. So yeah, this is the color. Now this one is 105 and I Rule. Okay, so this is also a nude color, but you will love this color. You see, yeah, you will love all the colors. So Now I have only this 4, but you can see all are like similar, but still you will feel the difference. This is basically a nude, perfect nude, brownish nude. So yeah, this is the color and the shade is 116 I Explore. So yeah, we are exploring all the colors. Now I'm going to show you 126 I Play. This is more pigmented and brown, okay. Now I'll show 103 I Enjoy. Yep, this one. This is more kind of a maroonish brown and you will love it. It's so elegant. All the colors you can see that all are very elegant and very nice. The last one I'm going to show you. This one is the most favorite of my mom. This is 131 I Captivate. Yes, so this is the color. This is a purple maroonish kind of color. So yeah, all the shades you can see that whatever I bought. So as you can see that I bought only 10 shades from this Rouge range because I don't feel to wear any kind of nude lipstick. I always feel that I look good and I look pretty in very bold colors, but still I just choose some nude color like this 105 or like 116. I thought that somehow I can manage this color, but after applying all these lipsticks I was feeling really good because if you want to see, I can give a clip that where I was shooting applying this nude color. You can see that it was looking so good on my skin tone. तुम लोग में ऐसा कोई है जैसे मेरी तरह सोच रहे हो कि न्यूड कलर मुझ पे ज़्यादा अच्छा नहीं लगता है, तो मैं उन लोगों को बताना चाहती हूँ बैना यू कैन यूज़ दिस वन बिकॉज़ ये रूज रेंज में ना जितना सारा भी न्यूड है वो भी तुम पे अच्छा लगेगा ही। बट मैंने सारा पिकअप नहीं किया, मैंने 3 छोड़ दिया जो कि मुझे लगा कि बहुत रिपीटेटिव कलर है और मुझे उतना मतलब मेरे लिए उतना ख़ास नहीं लगा, तो सॉरी उसके लिए मैं वो 3 शेड्स का दिखा नहीं पाई। बट जो शेड्स मैंने दिखाई वो बहुत ही अच्छा है और बहुत ही खूबसूरत है। सो दिस 114 आई रिप्रेजेंट, दिस इज़ बेसिकली अ फुशिया पिंक। तुम पहन रहे हो वो सच में नहीं दिख रहा है, मैं डे लाइट में जाके भी शूट किया ताकि तुम लोगों को समझ में आए, बट उतना समझ में नहीं आ रहा है, ये रेडिश ही दिख रहा है। तो या इसका थोड़ा वो मुझे प्रॉब्लम लगा। और इट्स वेरी tinted, it stays on your lip like 10 to 12 आवर ईज़िली रहते हैं। और मैं ये लिपस्टिक पहन के सो भी गई थी, वाओ जस्ट टू चेक आउट एक्चुअली कि कैसा है दिखने के लिए मैं सो गई। तो सुबह उठ के देखा थोड़ा लिपस्टिक का टिंट तब भी था। One thing I can say, this lipstick is not very much heavy. It has a very good formula in this because L'Oreal Paris is an international brand, so they always check on their quality. So quality wise it's super because it's a matte lipstick, still you won't feel the matte thing on your lip and it won't crack on your lip, so it will look very good and moisture plumpy kind of lips. So yeah, that's all. I think मैं ज़्यादा बक बक करूँगी तो अब लोग बोर हो जाओगे। तो आज के लिए इतना ही। एंड गाइज, टेक केयर ऑफ़ योर सेल्फ। इफ़ यू आर गोइंग आउट देन टेक precautions like wear mask and sanitize your hands. Whatever is possible, just do it to keep yourself safe. And if you are from Bengal and Orissa, east or northeast India, then guys, don't worry. We will rise again. We will fight back again and again. So if no one is helping us, then we will fight alone, because akla chalo re. So be happy, stay happy, keep your family happy. Love you all. Bye bye.